With this here, I'm cutting, well, I've got to tidy that up a little bit, but my sheet will be going against that. I'll be putting silicone down there. I didn't want to damage the outside because I'm not having tiles there. It's coming to this edge. My screen will be there where my boot is, so it'll be coming up here, so it's not inside the shower or anything like that, so it'd be cool. But I'll straighten it up a little bit. Cutting the nails I find is a lot quicker than trying to pull them out. It's not that good from a diamond blade. I'm going to be putting a niche in here once I get rid of this rubbish. I'll be running the skill saw through that, framing it up. I've got to make sure I'm at the right height and laughing. Well, they did something right. They put in a few nails, nailing the wall board back. Anyway, okay, we'll see you soon. I'll carry on with this, clean it up a tad, and then I'll show you how I frame out in the next movie or so. I'll show you how I frame out a niche and build a niche. I'm gonna make it from that stud to that stud. So a nice big niche. See you soon. Bye.